Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Plants vs. Zombies on your laptop. This classic tower defense game offers hours of fun, and there are a couple of primary ways to enjoy it on your computer. We will explore playing the original PC version directly, and also using emulators to run the mobile versions. Understanding these options will help you choose the best experience for your gaming preferences and laptop's capabilities. The original Plants vs. Zombies for PC provides a fantastic, native experience. You can easily purchase and download it from various digital storefronts, ensuring a smooth installation. This version features 5 distinct game modes and 50 engaging levels, offering a complete and optimized gameplay experience. It generally has modest system requirements, making it accessible on a wide range of laptops without needing powerful hardware. If you prefer the mobile versions of Plants vs. Zombies, you can use an Android emulator on your laptop. Popular choices like BlueStacks and Nox Player allow you to run mobile apps seamlessly. These emulators adapt touch controls for your mouse and keyboard, providing a familiar experience. However, remember that emulators typically require more system resources, so a laptop with at least 8 GB of RAM is often recommended for smooth performance. Deciding between the PC version and an emulator depends on your priorities. The original PC game offers a highly optimized, native experience with lower system demands, perfect for a classic playthrough. Emulators, conversely, grant access to mobile-exclusive content and features, but they do consume more of your laptop's processing power and memory. Consider your desired game version and your laptop specifications to make the best choice for your Plants vs. Zombies adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.